So this is the Hahn Multi-Force Pro, and it came in this box. I just put it to assemble it. There was two pieces. I just stuck the handle piece down into here and then screwed it. Then I filled up the water tank back here, and that was nice and easy to do. And then I have turned it on here, and I've selected the heavier water option, and it took about 40 seconds to heat up, and now it's ready to go, and I'm going to give it a try. So they have, you just unattach it down there, and then they have this scrubbing button too that I can push with my foot, and it starts scrubbing.